Lately, I've been posting YouTube videos on me calling the leads that come through from the Facebook ads that I run for my marketing agency. And so I thought it'd be really helpful to put together a video of me calling them and then also closing them on the demo. So that way you can see both sides of everything and actually see a deal go down. Now, this customer ended up closing for $400 a month, and I'm only spending $30 a day on this Facebook ad. So the return on investment is great. So bring out a pen and paper, take notes, look at how I close them, and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's go ahead and dive in. Hello, yes. Is this Carlos?
Okay.
This is James with Spark Growth. The reason why I was giving you a call is because a few days ago you submitted your information on our Facebook ad. It was in regards to our Houston website promotion that we're running, and your information was submitted. Seems like you're in the tree service industry.
Yeah, you speak Spanish?
I don't speak Spanish, but I can still work with you. It seems like your English is pretty good.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not a problem. So yeah, we work with service businesses. I'm sure you saw the ad. That's how your information was submitted. But right now, it's no setup fee. Normally, that's $500. That's being completely waived, and there's no contracts as well. And you get a fully built website. You get a live AI chatbot that.
I got the website.
Oh, okay, you do.
But I'm the owner to my domain.
Perfect.
But I think the design and everything is not really good. I need to something to make it looking good.
Okay.
To something only to change a couple things.
Got it.
But you the store. I mean, I know the store in the website, but I understand a little bit.
Okay, got it. And I think I found your website right here. I'm getting it pulled up right now. Give me 1 second.
And I mean, the thing is, are you looking for the one guy?
Yes, I'm the owner. I'm the owner of the business.
To help me and
help you with the, guide you in the right direction.
No, and help me with the Google Map business page.
Okay.
And Google Guarantee too.
Yes, sir. We do offer that. We do have businesses currently on that, so we can definitely get you listed on there.
But you do the Google Guarantee too?
Yes. Now the
LCA?
Yes, that does affect your cost monthly, but all of our clients that we're running ads for, they make it back plus more. So essentially your marketing can be taken care of based on how good our ads are, and you're definitely getting your return on investment. So that's something that we can definitely set up for you. I
have the Google Guarantee, but the thing is, I have with Google Guarantee, I think almost with probably 116 reviews.
Oh.
And I don't know what's going on, and losing the review, and only have, I think, 30 or 40. I don't know why.
Right. So you're saying that because you have so many reviews, you should be getting more calls in the local service ads.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, so we have strategies that can help, boost that, such as our Google review automation, which is what you get as being a client with Spark Growth. And so essentially what Google likes to see on LSA ads is they like to see you still getting reviews currently. So you might have a lot of total reviews, but they also want to see them coming in as you're using local service ads, which we can easily set a process in place where you can get those on autopilot. And also it matters about essentially how the ad is set up in LSA. So it depends on your budget and where it's being ran at and the different service areas that you're touching, which we can easily take a look at and modify and, help bring in more business for you. Now that's as far as the LSA website, or sorry, not website, LSA side of things go. Now, as far as the website goes, am I taking a look at the right website? It seems like this one's popping up in Fort Worth, but you're located in Houston, correct?
No.
Oh, you're.
No, I'm in Fort Worth.
Oh, you're in Fort Worth? Oh, okay. Interesting. So, so it seems like I'm looking at your website right here. Yes, we can definitely make a improvement on this site. I definitely see some room for improvement. I don't see a live AI chatbot. I don't see service area pages. So we can definitely, and like I said, whenever you join Spark Growth with the promotion that we're running right now, your website build is completely free. We're not even charging you for that. So you might as well just have us completely rebuild your site and then attach it to that domain. So that way you can have a brand new refreshed website with the proper build out process on it.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So What I would like to do, just so we can, go deeper in explanation and actually come up with a strategic game plan to make your business, achieve these different goals that we have mentioned over this call, is I would like to have a Zoom call with you where we can go over the game plan, like I just mentioned, and I can also show you other tree service websites that we have done as well, because I think you'll be very, very impressed with how we build them out and the results that we're able to get. And so, are you available later today or tomorrow for that Zoom call?
You know what? Can you call me after holiday?
So,
Um, what the day is it? Next week, Monday. I think it's 5.
the 5th?
Yeah, it's I think Monday.
Okay. Yes. Now here is the thing is that that promotion that you came across on and that you submitted your info is limited to 10 businesses. And so we only have 3 slots left. And so I don't want you to miss out on the promotion. It seems like you're very interested and I definitely want to help you out. So is there any way that you can do before that by chance, just so we can make sure that you're being all taken care of? Or is the 5th the earliest that you can do?
Let me see what we can do tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Or late tonight.
Oh,
What
I
time is
mean,
it?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I mean, tonight would definitely be preferable. That way we can go ahead and hit the ground running, and you can make sure that your spot is secured. So I mean, how late are you going to get home? Is it around 5:30 or 6 p.m.?
Around 7.
Around 7?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. So I'll go ahead and get you booked in for tonight, and that works for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'll go ahead and get you booked in, and just let me get this confirmation sent over to you. Just give me about 20 seconds here. Just going to get this information submitted so that way I can make sure you receive the Zoom link so that way we can be connected in and I can take care of you. Give me one second
Okay.
here. And this is the best phone number to send the invite to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect, perfect.
Or you can use my email too.
Yes, sir. Alrighty, I got that info submitted, and you should receive a text here in about the next 5 seconds. You're also sent an email. It is preferred that you join on the computer, so that way you can see my screen bigger. But if you can only join on your phone, that's completely fine. But yeah. So did you receive that message?
Yeah, get it.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
All right, sir. Well,
What's your company name?
my company name is Spark Growth, and so we're located here in Austin, Texas, so not far off from you at all.
Okay, you local?
Yes, sir. Austin, Texas.
Oh, Austin. Okay.
Yes, sir. So yeah, so it seems like we're all set for 6 p.m., sir. I'll see you on the call then.
Okay. Yeah, sounds good.
All right, sir. Well, I'll talk to you then, and let's see if we can make a deal happen and we can take care of you here at Spark Growth. Well, thank you for your time, sir.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Bye.
Yes, sir. Alrighty. Hello, sir. Thank you for joining.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we are on a little bit of a time crunch. Definitely want to get you taken care of here. As mentioned on the phone, today is the last day of our end of the year promotion. So definitely want to get you started. We pretty much went over everything on the phone yesterday. No setup fee. So normally $500 to $1,000. That's being completely waived today. There's no contracts. So if you're ever unhappy, then you can leave at any time. Just give us a 30 days notice is all that we ask. And I know that you wanted your website completely redone, which again, we'll go ahead and take care of that included in the cost. That also gets you a live AI chatbot on your site as well. Yes, sir. Have you ever heard of a live AI chatbot?
No.
He's heard of it. He's never used one.
Okay. Okay. Got it. On your current website, as far as contact forms go, are you just sent an email or can you break down that process a little more?
Actually, they do come through via email,
Okay.
but we don't have anything coming in from our website now.
Okay. Okay. So the website's not generating any leads for you guys.
No. Well, none that we're noticing in our email. Like we'll randomly once in a blue moon get like information from a client who's interested, but we don't have too much traffic coming in and out
Got it.
from our
Got it.
website.
Okay. And so with that being said, sorry, you have 60 reviews on Google. So that definitely shouldn't be the case because you definitely are, a credible business and you have a ton of reviews. So actually what we can do is, and just to give you a little bit of free insight here, is that Google loves to see whenever you are replying to reviews, which is something that we will do for you. So what that means is that if someone leaves a new brand new review for you, AI will go ahead and respond to it and pretty much saying thank you for that review. Now, again, what that's doing is it's telling Google like, hey, we are active on our Google My Business page and we're an active business. And Google, again, like I said, loves to see that. So we'll go ahead and take care of that for you. That wouldn't be a problem. I mean, that's just something that I would recommend. And like I said, I mean, that's a step that we can take forward, eventually, something that I would want you guys to do. Again, just because it's posting those Google reviews on there. So that'll help you guys out a ton. Back to my original point on the site, and something that I think that will help you guys out is that whenever a contact form is filled out, it's not just sent via email, it's also sent via text messages. And same thing with the live AI chatbot. That's actually how you reply to the messages, is through our mobile app. But also, yes, you do get notified as soon as a lead comes through. All we're doing is just solidifying your website and making sure that any cracks in your website, those are sealed, and your business is geared towards getting leads and also nurturing those leads as soon as they come through the door. So like I mentioned, I mean, our websites look 10 times better than this. Here, I can go ahead and show you an actual tree service one that we built recently. And here is service. This is a website that we actually just launched not that long ago. Has a nice video playing in the background, 5-star rated, looks very nice, luxurious, have all your accreditations that you have. And something that I would definitely like to add on your site, and I'll tell the team to go ahead and do so, is that since you have so many reviews, we actually have a little widget that connects to your Google My Business page, and it will actually go ahead and shuffle all 60 of your reviews on kind of like a carousel.
Okay, he has a question. You said you guys provide Google guaranteed services?
Yes, yes, we do. And so we can go ahead and jump into that. And our Google Guarantee services, every single one of our clients are making their money back by the jobs that we generate for them. And we do Google ads and we also do local service ads. So those are kind of like the two different things that we do. And so let's go ahead and hop over to the pricing. So that is this plan right here. This is the elite package. As mentioned on all of our packages right now, because it's the end of the year sale, today is the last day, all the setup fees are being waived. So don't even worry about this $1,000 setup fee. It's completely out the door. But if you want us to run your ads, that gets you on this plan right here. And you also get our top tier SEO package. So this is where we're adding things constantly on the back end of your website, and it's bettering your SEO. And that gets you full access to our software as well. And that gives us the capability to run your Facebook and Google ads as well.
Okay. Now, the $500 fee, well, almost 500 with the elite package, and you're saying that it would allow you to run our Facebook ads or Facebook page. Okay, so it does say Facebook or Google Ad
Yes.
Management. That does not include the fee that we would put into the ads that you would be managing, correct?
Correct. Yes, that doesn't include ad spend. This is us managing the ads. And so what we can do is we can also have Google Guarantee running. I'm sure you guys know how it works. Essentially,
Right.
you're only charged whenever a call is made. And so what we can do is we can also set it up towards where it populates. You can see how these are sponsored results. We can also have you populate right here because these are just regular Google ads. So essentially what I'm saying is we can run local service ads and we can run cost per click ads, the regular standard Google ads as well. So that way you're popping up in the sponsored and you're also popping up in the Google Guarantee as well. Now, obviously that does mean more money spent. As far as ad budget goes, that's still under that same fee of the $497 a month that we can do for you. But
the only thing that changes is the amount of that we want to invest for the ad.
Right, exactly. Perfect.
Okay.
Like I said, that setup fee is completely waived right now. Normally that's $1,000. That's completely out the door. And you can cancel at any time. You just give us a 30 days notice.
So would the Google guaranteed services be on the elite service?
Yes, they are.
And only just something on that. And only the elite service?
On only the elite package?
Yeah.
Yes. That is correct. And I mean, you make that back off of, you know how much your jobs are worth. So you'll definitely make that back pretty quickly.
I just want to confirm today is the last day for the the special where you guys don't charge that start setup fee.
Yes, today is the last day, is the end of the year. And you can downgrade at any time. So let's say you do 1 month at the $497 a month and you say, hey, like I want to downgrade because, whatever the case is, you can downgrade, you can upgrade whenever you would like. It's really up to you.
I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
So let's say we pay the $500 today. That covers us for the next 30 days.
Yes, exactly.
You're saying that we need 30-day notice to cancel. So if we get charged a fee or we get charged our monthly fee and he decides that he wants to cancel it, we still have those 30 days of service with you guys until it is canceled?
Yes, exactly. That's what that 30-day means.
Okay. When you mentioned GoDaddy, is GoDaddy the host?
So that's just where the domain is hosted at. We handle the website hosting, we handle the security, and we handle all the updates for you.
If we were So we have all the login information from Bluehost
Okay.
to access our website.
Hmm.
Instead of getting a brand new one, would you be able to spruce that one up?
So this site
Or
right
would you
here,
just have to,
let,
yes.
let me
Or
find it.
would you have to completely get us a
So
new one? Would you be able to transfer our woodwork tree service, dfw.com?
So that's a great question. What I always like to tell people is that we the reason why we use our in-house website builder is because we use AI so heavily like the live AI chatbot, the contact forms, all that good stuff. So the system works a lot better whenever we are using our own websites. But here's a plus side to that is that you guys always have something to fall back on. So let's say if it wasn't to work out with us, you guys can always go back to this site. You know, what you're paying for is the not even the website because the setup fee is being completely waived. So the website build is free. But you always have something, to fall back on.
Okay, but whatever you guys do, you would be able to carry our domain with it.
Yes, yes, we would get that exact domain connected to this website. That is correct.
Okay.
So we're not messing with
Okay.
this one. We're leaving this one completely the way it is. We're just building something 10 times better, in my opinion, as far as, and I don't want to bore you with website talk, but the SEO that we do, the H1 titles, all that good stuff, that's more our side of things. But yes, we take care of all that for you.
Okay, perfect. Okay, he wants to think it over a little bit. Can he give you a call back before end of business day to see if he wants to proceed?
Yes. Okay. And just one last thing. I mean, I might be able to make something work. Is 400 like what around the 400 mark would be comfortable for you guys to we're just trying to get in as many people as we can and just get it done. So what would you say is fair to you guys?
Would this be the monthly fee or just for today?
It would be the monthly fee.
Okay, so let's say we were to get started today and you were able to do something for like $400 a month.
Okay. Would you guys be open to doing that for the first 3 months? And then if you guys got the results you want, we go ahead and move up to that full 497 a month. And then you guys just
And
keep
then
paying.
how much do you think he would be putting into the ads? And I responded with, that's really just depending on
The
however
influx.
much you're willing to invest
Right.
into the ads. So I just
Exactly.
want to make sure that was correct.
Exactly. Yes, not a problem. Yes, and that is correct. So to be honest, at any time we can turn off the ads. So if he's like, "Hey, I already hit my threshold for the month of what I'm comfortable spending," go ahead and turn it off. You just send me a message, since I'll be more than likely your dedicated support specialist, and we go ahead and turn it off. So yes, you are correct. Whatever you would like to spend.
So that's something good that you just mentioned. So he highly dislikes it when somebody brings him on board and then after you've taken his or after the money has been made or you signed him up, he
Right.
never hears again from the person who signed him up. So if you're going to be his main contact, that might be something that I personally
Yes.
find ideal.
Yes. And that's what our customers love. It's called the dedicated support specialist. You get my direct number. You can text me, call
Él
me, email
sería tu
me.
con. So prior issues is that he's had it where he gets onboarded and then whenever a couple days, weeks go by, a random person calls him trying to work with him on his things. And when he brings up what it is that him and the initial contact had discussed was going to happen, they start to tell him that there are additional fees for that service on a monthly basis.
There's no upcharges. Literally, you guys can get as much business as you get out of these ads, and we're not going to upcharge you in any type of way. So it's literally whatever comes through is yours. There's no upcharges. And I have the
Okay.
Zoom call recorded. I can send it over to you guys upon signing up, so that way you guys can.
Okay, and just yeah, that would definitely be something that would take him away from continuing the work
Mhm.
with you guys. But so I guess with him, it's would you be the? I know you would be the specialist for him. Would that mean that anything that has to do with him needing anything, he can contact you?
Exactly. He can text,
Will you
call.
be the
Yeah.
only point of contact, or will other people be?
Just me. I'm his dedicated
Eres el
support
punto de
specialist.
contacto.
You literally won't hear from
Tu punto
anyone
de
besides
contacto.
me.
Okay, I think you sold him.